Welcome to Money Origami Gives. For this course, Money Origami Gives has a handful of valuable content for you to learn the dynamics of origami. But before we start, let me tell you a little about the beginnings of origami. When we understand the origins, it shows the importance of the art and the people who folded before our time. In 105 AD, paper was first invented by Kai Lun during the Han Dynasty in the industrious and oriental region of China. He made his paper with finely chopped mulberry bark and hemp rags with water. Kai Lun began his paper-making business since then and revolutionized people's lives with paper, which has then been used for writing, concealing letters, and wrapping packages. Then, in 600 AD, the Buddhist monk Dokyo introduced paper to Japan. Paper was scarce and became an item for special occasions. Since then, paper folding became ceremonial in nature, where the Japanese adorn their gifts with patterned folded gift wraps called tsutsumi. The Japanese were creative to add color to their paper, making the washi. Another ceremonial use would be origami butterflies, called mecho and ocho, were decorated on Japanese sake bottles in Shinto weddings. Soon, the practice of paper folding spread throughout the Western civilization and other parts of China. By the 19th century, the Japanese finally named the art of paper folding as origami. In the 1950s, world-famous origami artist Akira Yoshizawa popularized origami to the modern Western world, where the rest became history. Alright, let's get started by bringing out a dollar bill or a practice bill.